Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there lived a little boy named Toby. Toby loved to explore the woods and play among the tall trees every day after school. One sunny afternoon, while Toby was skipping along a path, he heard a soft voice calling out to him. "Hello, Toby," the voice said. Toby stopped in his tracks and looked around, wondering where the voice was coming from. To his surprise, he saw that the trees were moving and talking to him. "Wow, trees can talk," Toby exclaimed, eyes wide with amazement. "Yes, we can," replied an old oak tree with a friendly smile on its bark. "We have watched over this forest for many years and have seen many things." Toby was thrilled and eager to chat with the trees. He asked them about their lives, the animals in the forest, and the secrets they held. The trees shared stories of the changing seasons, the importance of kindness, and the beauty of nature. As Toby spent more time with the talking trees, he learned valuable lessons. One day, he saw some other children throwing litter in the forest. Toby remembered what the trees had taught him about taking care of nature. "Hey, stop that!" Toby shouted, running toward the kids. "We must keep our forest clean and beautiful for the trees and animals." The children stopped and listened to Toby. They realized their mistake and joined Toby in cleaning up the litter, making the forest sparkle again. The trees were delighted by Toby's bravery and kindness. They whispered amongst themselves, "Toby, you have shown that even the smallest person can make a big difference." From that day on, Toby became a guardian of the forest. He made sure to protect it and teach others about the importance of caring for nature. The moral of the story is that kindness and caring for our environment are essential. Even small actions can make a big difference in protecting our world.